Hello, Marcus Bronzy here from How to Kill an Hour. Time for a quick episode of What's in the Box, where we're doing a little bit of audio stuff. Today we're trying out the Lavalier II, the premium lavalier microphone from Rode. Now they're designed to work with the Rode Wireless Go 2, which is what we have here at the studio already. So we thought what better than to do a little comparison, see what it's like when you haven't got a lapel plugged into this than when you haven't. But first, let's get in the box. So, very simple design here from Rode, which is really clear, telling you just exactly what it does. Here you can see that it can take a 3.5mm TRS connection. You get a Lavalier 2, pop filter, a mic clip, a mic furry, which I call a mic fluff, and a zip wallet, so you can keep it safe when you're not using it. So, without further ado, let's get in the box. So, get that open here. Let's get some knifey help in here, man. There we go. No messing around, straight in there. Oh, that's nice. It's a nice little pouch, this. It's got a little Rode logo on it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, now on the top we've got, that's just some gel, so you don't eat that gel, it keeps everything nice and dry. We've got some instructions, I believe. What's in here? Regulatory and safety guide. Okay. We have the lavalier itself, which as you can see is nice and flat there, which is interesting because old design microphones used to have this round circular design. You didn't kind of know where the mic was, but here you can see that it's flat at the back and the mic is at the other side. In terms of what else we have in the box, we've got the fluff, as per usual. Got the little fluff there, which we're actually using one of these on the Rode Wireless Go, but this one seems designed specifically for this one here. And then we have a smaller, we have the clip here, which is a redesigned clip actually from Rode. You can see it's actually got specific Rode branding on the clip, and it works very differently. I think I'll be honest, conventional lavalier mics aren't always the easiest to wire on, but you can see that to get the microphone, into the clip, you can see here it's got a lovely little bit here where you can put the clip in, get it on, clip it onto a top, the microphone's facing the right direction. Perfect, great. You also have these little coloured clips. Let's see where they clip on. Where do these go? Wow, I don't know where these are meant to go. Meant to go here? Ah, wow. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? See this? You can pop this little bit off and pop a different coloured one on it. So you can have 4 or 5 different mics and you know exactly which mic is which from the colour. That's really cool. Be good with multiple lav mics as well. That's a nice little touch there, Rode. Well done. But right, we've got it out of the box. We've shown you everything it has in there. Oh, I haven't shown you this yet though. This little protector there, I like that. Probably gonna roll with that most of the time. But you have to be careful to make sure you know which way the microphone is facing when you're using this. There you go. So, now that you know what's in the box, how are we gonna test this? Well, very, very simply. I have another Rode Wireless here, and I'm gonna take this off because we ain't gonna need that, which is the furry. Plug in this Lavalier 2. Double check that I'm getting signal, which I am. Got a little visual indicator. Pop this onto me. Or a nice long one there they got as well. Pop this on. Simple. Oh, maybe not so simple. I'm going to pop it on upside down actually. Reason being is I'm going to clip this out. I'm going to pop this behind my top. And then I'm going to clip this here. And then we should be able, once I put away all these little bits, to do a test between the two mics. So now that we've got them all wired up, we can actually, I can say the same sentence and I'll just repeat the audio so you can hear them in both. Okay? Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me talking in my normal voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me talking in my normal voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me using a slightly louder voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me using a slightly louder voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me speaking really loudly and really putting some power into my voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me speaking really loudly and really putting some power into my voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me whispering. Or this is me talking quite quietly. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me whispering. Or this is me talking quite quietly. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me just whispering. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me just whispering. Now, what I will say, and we will put in this video as well, is there is editing we can do, there is compression and processing we can do, but for the purposes of this, we're going to minimize that, and we're probably just going to use a small volume boost on both of these audio channels, just so you can hear what they're like out of the box. So that will give you a clear understanding of how they sound without processing. But what I will say is, I'm going to whip this off, and we're just going to use the lapel mic to describe this bit. Though, if you look, I'm just going to try and look at myself on the monitor. This disrupts my top a lot more. This is a fantastic microphone, but this big old thing can like fall, mash up my top a little bit. So having the lapel, this lovely low profile mic here, really does, keeps falling over, keeps falling over. So having this low profile microphone here really does help to kind of make the microphone disappear a little bit more into the background so you can't see it as much. And also, if you're working with clients, doesn't mash up their tops as much as well. So now that you've heard all of those clips unprocessed, we're going to play back those same clips, having processed both of those microphones. And when I say process, we're going to put them through like a bit of compression, some dynamics processing, some boost the volume and EQ them a little bit. And then you can tell us again if you can hear a difference and where you think the difference is in the comments below. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me talking in my normal voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me talking in my normal voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me using a slightly louder voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy. This is me using a slightly louder voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me speaking really loudly and really putting some power into my voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me speaking really loudly and really putting some power into my voice. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me whispering. Or this is me talking quite quietly. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me whispering. Or this is me talking quite quietly. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me just whispering. Hi, I'm Marcus Bronzy and this is me just whispering.